Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money with Amazon affiliate. Now if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that notification button because I put out a lot of awesome tutorials here on YouTube every 2 to 3 days. So let's get started. Now I hope you guys are staying safe from this coronavirus, guys, and I wish you all well. So let's get started with this tutorial. The first thing you need to do, guys, is set up a Pinterest niche account. If you don't know how to do that, there's going to be a link somewhere up on this video that you can click on and watch later so you can set up your Pinterest account for success. So let's get this show on the road. Now we're going to be working here with men's fashion. Now the first thing you want to do is choose a product that you want to promote. So I have boards here, and this one, men's shoes, men's jacket, men's jeans, ties, and so on and so forth. So I want to go ahead and add some shoes to this board, but we're going to be using a specific method that is getting sales on Pinterest, and I'm going to show you proof in a second. Now, if I head on over to my Amazon account, you're going to see that in the last month alone, I made 24 sales with one product. And that is the exact method that I'm going to show you guys, although I did use a video that was already available on YouTube, and I uploaded it to Pinterest to make all of those sales. But you can go ahead and use this particular method that I'm about to show you to start making sales, at least 2 to 3 sales per day on Pinterest with this method. So let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, once you've chosen the product that you want to promote, you just type that in there, and you want to sort it by 5 stars and up. Now once you do that, you want to go and change this to customer review, because you want to have high reviews for your product. Now having high reviews on products makes your traffic convert. If you find products that have very high reviews and everyone who's buying it, they have something good to say about it, whoever you send to that link is also going to want to buy as well. So this one has about 9,300 reviews, guys, and I think it's a great product. It looks good, so we're gonna go ahead and try to promote this one. So gonna open it up in a new page, and you're gonna need a free tool called Awesome Screenshot. Just go and type Awesome Screenshot, and you want to click on the first or second result and add it to your toolbar. Now guys, if you do not want to go through all of this trouble and you want to find a video that is available online for this product, you can just go ahead and copy the name of this product, and you want to go to Google Videos, just type in video.google.com, and you want to paste in the name of the product. So once you do, you're going to get some videos here from YouTube or AliExpress. If you want it specifically from AliExpress, you can type in aliexpress.com and then the name of the product. So as you can see here, there are some videos on YouTube for this particular product, so we can go ahead and check it out. Just a second. Google has locked me out. Anyway, there you go. There is actually a video here for this product.
Hi, I'm Jeremy with
Alteryx.com. Just go
Alteryx.com.
ahead and get the... Okay, there you go. There is a video for this product, but there's someone talking about the product. We want to see the product in action. So this is another video. Now here is the product in action, guys. What you can actually go ahead and do is download this video, and then you can go ahead and recreate it using Canva. But I'm not going to be doing that in this video because there might be copyright issues. But if you're not afraid of that, you can go ahead and try it out, guys. So now that you have a product and you know that you can get videos from YouTube for this particular product, guys, you just want to go ahead and open up the product image by image, and you want to click on your screenshot tool, and once you do, you want to capture the visible part of the page. So you just want to go ahead and click that little crop icon on there. Let's go ahead and crop this, and you want to crop each of the images provided by Amazon and you just want to go ahead and click on crop. Once you do that, click on done, and you're going to be able to save the image as to your computer. Just make sure that you remember the name, because you're going to go ahead and upload all of them to Canva. So once you have all of your images here on the side, just go ahead and click on them individually, and then you want to copy them, crop them, and save them to your computer. And once you're done, we want to go on over to Canva, and we want to create our video. So now that we're here in Canva, you just want to go to custom dimensions, and for this we're going to be using 600 pixels by 900 pixels. So you want to just type that in there, and you want to click on design. Now we have about 6 images for our design for our video. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add in an element, and just click on elements, scroll down to grids, and click on that. It's going to get onto your canvas, and you want to copy your canvas 6 times. So let's go ahead and copy that, copy that, copy that, copy that, copy that, and one more time, guys. Now to upload all of your images that you just downloaded from Amazon, you just want to go to uploads, and you want to upload an image. I've already done that here, so I am going to be showing you how to go ahead and just click on it, get it onto your canvas, and you just want to do that, slide that to the side a little bit so that it fits. Oh, that's too large, guys. So let me just go ahead and crop that. We want to make it smaller, but it is not working here, so let me see what I can do about it. Okay guys, so for this to work, we're actually going to need to remove the grids. But if I show you something like this image, and you just place that in there, once you have a grid, it's going to fit easily onto your canvas. But the images that we downloaded are actually very large, so we're going to have to remove the grids to be able to fit them onto the canvas. So let's go ahead, and we've just removed one of them, and we just want to get this here, slide it and drag it so that it fits onto our canvas. There you go. And now we're going to do it for the third one as well. Just delete and we just want to drag this and just make it fit. We actually want to show people what the product looks like, so that if they do click through, you know that your link is going to convert, because your potential customer has already seen the product in all the different actions. So it's actually better to promote this way. I know I'm babbling on, guys. Okay, so we have one more image. Let me see. Okay, we got this one, and now let's go ahead and remove the grid, and we want to turn it to the side, and we want to drag it to fit the canvas. Center it, and we don't have any more images here, so we're just going to delete this last one. And we also want to add the title of the shoe. And once you're done with all of that, you have some stickers here that you can add to your video, like shop now and click through. So let's go ahead and look for one that says, okay, there you go, you have shop now. You can go ahead and drag it on there, and you can add it to the side of your video. Okay, right there. There you go. And once you're done, guys, you want to go to this little button here, and you want to choose this as video type MP4. You also want to select all of the pages. All pages are selected, and you want to go ahead and download this. Now, working with videos on Pinterest, guys, you are going to have to wait for Pinterest to actually uh, approve your videos to be shown on the platform. So let's go ahead and download it right now, and I'll see you in a sec. So now it's time, guys, for us to go ahead and actually upload this video to Pinterest. And all you got to do before you do that is go ahead and paste in your search term. And as you can see here, this particular search term does not have any videos, but we do not want that. We want search terms that people are actually searching for. So we just want to go start by typing in men's shoes for, okay, so we have men's shoes for formal, men's shoes for beach wedding, men's shoes business casual, for hiking, okay, for trail running, for, you know, you need to use keywords that people actually search for. Now we want to go back to Amazon and see exactly what, you know, people wear this particular shoe. Like you see here, they wear it to go for walks, for hiking, and all of that good stuff. So we want to go back to Pinterest and we want to find keywords that are relevant to this particular product. So hiking shoes, men, trail running. So we're going to call this trail running men's hiking shoes. You want to, use exact match keywords to get found. So let's try this men's hiking shoes. So we're going to go ahead and upload. And to upload, you just want to click the pin icon right there. And this page is going to pop up. Just go ahead and click the X, and we want to upload our video. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is uploading, and we're going to call this men's hiking shoes. You also want to add in enough keywords in your descriptions, but make sure that you do not do keyword stuffing on Pinterest because it just doesn't work anymore. So here is a very strong and durable men's hiking shoes that you can use for walking or jungle, what was that called? Scouting, SCOUTING, jungle scouting as well. So you have 500 characters, and you want to make sure that your keywords are in the first 50, and you want to add in as much description here as well to make people want to click through. So here you can add your tags, hiking. As you begin to type, Pinterest is going to give you some keywords. So let's go back to hiking, hiking gear. Then you have walking. You have walking in the sports. You have shoes, shoe. Let's go for men shoes. Okay, there isn't a hashtag for that, so let's leave it to hiking gear, walking, and all of that good stuff. Now we want to go back to Amazon and we want to grab our affiliate link. So you just want to click on the text icon up there and get your affiliate link. Now we're going to go back to Pinterest and add our link below. You also want to choose which image you want to show at the beginning, that first image that people see. You can upload an image here. Okay, I like this one, but Pinterest is not allowing me to add that. So I'm just going to leave it at that. But you want to add a cover image to make people want to click through to your product. So you want to select a board, and this is very important. You want to add your product to a board that is relevant. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to men's shoes. Now once you do this, go ahead and see your pin. As you see here, your video is being reviewed. You need to read the guidelines. Don't worry about reading the guidelines. This is going to get reviewed in at least 48 hours, and they're going to allow it onto the platform. So this is how you want to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest using Amazon to make sales in 2020. Like I said, this works for your Shopify stores, your AliExpress products, and all of that good stuff. You will make sales using this particular method, and you can also go ahead and use YouTube videos. It's up to you guys, but we don't want copyright, from anyone, so we want to make our own videos. So if you want to start making money with Amazon affiliate, you want to go ahead and use this method. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.